All right, so you really like the MateBook X Pro, but you want something from Lenovo that's a little bit cooler? Well, I think Lenovo has your answer with the Yoga S940. Today we're going to take a quick look and tell you what's new. Stay tuned. For those of you looking for an ultra thin and small laptop, well, this may be it. This is an astonishingly small and thin device. So you can see here on the sides, not a lot for ports. This is an all Type-C system, so you get a Type-C here with a headphone jack. And turning to the right-hand side, you get two more USB Type-C. And just like everything Lenovo does, these are Thunderbolt 3 ports with charging and power delivery. And what's really neat on the front here, you do have this lip design. It's really good for gripping and you can open it one-handed, but that's not all it does. You can see here, that's actually the full camera system. And yes, that is Windows Hello. So something that was unique about the MateBook X Pro, they couldn't fit the camera on those thin bezels. Well, looks like Lenovo fixed it and you get everything you want. Speaking of this display, well, it's really beautiful. It is 16:9, so I know some of you like that 3:2, but there's some other cool stuff that's going on here. First of all, that glass rounds off here on the edges, and it's allowed them to create really, really thin bezels, and it just looks really nice and feels nice. It's amazing how it just kind of curves and rounds off there. It's very much like modern smartphones. You also notice here at the bottom, there is no chin. It's just all screen, and I know so many of you love that design. Well, this is it. The display is also really beautiful. You get a ton of options, including UHD 4K 500 nits with Dolby Vision. So just a really outstanding display. Again, if you like watching movies, well, you're gonna really enjoy this. Turning to the deck itself, well, you get top firing speakers. Again, Dolby Atmos system. Should be really nice. Really nice typical Lenovo keyboard with the smile design. Very good travel amounts there. It's a little bit shallow, but it shouldn't be too bad. Looking at the trackpad, really nice design, pretty spacious, very smooth. I kind of like just the way it feels. So overall, great design. All right, of all the devices I've seen here so far at CES, this one I think is the most interesting. The Yoga S940 comes out in May, starts at $1,500. It's not cheap, but that's a pretty premium laptop you're looking at right there. It should be really good. Now leave me a comment below, tell me what you like about it, what you don't. And of course, we'll definitely try to review this. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care, everyone.